Hey y'all, it's your girl Jada May. Welcome and welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, we have another unit by Outre, and this wig is most definitely an OG in the game. I remember watching a lot of reviews back in high school, and it is the one and only Penny 26. And before we get into this install, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how I prep my hair. This is just to show how quick and easy it is, and I would say this install literally only took me about 15-20 minutes. So as you can see, your girl cannot cornrow, so I like to divide my hair into 6 or 7 different braids, pull it back into a ponytail, and call it a day. So now that I sectioned off my hair for my leave out, I went ahead and got some black spray because the wig that I got was in the color number 1, and I don't have jet black hair. I'm more of a number 2, so I wanted my leave out to match. You don't have to do this, but I hate when I'm outside and you can see the complete difference in the two hair colors, so this is just me.
She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a money. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a money. I'm a dog, I'm a money.
Y'all, when I unboxed this wig, the curls just simply screamed vacation. It gave me summer, beach, poolside, cabana, all the above. The curls on this wig were just absolutely stunning. But this wig has 1 comb in the front, 1 comb in the back, and 2 adjustable straps.
But it's never the same as the first time we did it. First time we did it, but I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be my own love, so you can break my heart and keep wanting to. She said take your time, what's the rush? Take your time. I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a man. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog,
Now, for my girls that are natural, the key to blending in your hair with this wig is to saturate your hair with water and finger coil your hair with some kind of gel or curling cream. In this video, I'm using Carol's daughter's curl cream, but after a couple days, I feel like it really didn't do much, so I used hair gel instead and found better results because it had a stronger hold. So whatever works for you. And for my girls that are not natural, blow dry your leave out and use a 1/2 inch curler wand and you'll be just fine.
take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a money. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a money. I'm a dog, I'm a money. I can smoke no.
Alright y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So make sure you like, comment, and most definitely subscribe.